decided that I want to do some pageant video for this sleep thing called Klova. I've started the interesting. So the package arrived here at the product I have ordered once. And yeah, I've tried these before for better sleep. Yeah, I sometimes struggle to sleep in real time, so I usually just schedule sleep. But however, I still struggle with sleep. So let's see what it has in the package. So it's the world's first extra sleep strength. What? The world's first extra strength sleep patches. I've heard of these and decided to get it to try it. It seemed to help with what I heard about extra strength. If those other sleep patches aren't enough for deep sleep, we all know sleep is super important, right? And there is at least 28 patches in this package. At least 28. And those are the size from my previous order. It also came with an instruction and guide, which may help. Here. I suppose that's the guide and instruction. Yeah, I will definitely try it. So this is the sleep dummies. I saw these could help with restful sleep and looking forward to try it out. And so here's how it looks. It has the berry flavor in it or something. I'm reading that guide right there. Oh yeah, nice. I'm struggling to open it. How do I open it? Trying to hurt my hand with it. Just. Oh, okay, I think I got it. That's hard to open. Okay, there we go. That was a little hard to open up. Okay, I'm going to take the seal off. Okay. I usually open the seal like that with this retractable knife. Oh, there we go. Right. That's how the gummies look right there. It's like the little berries. And yeah, that's the sleep gummies there. Oh yeah, thought this could also help with sleep support. Reading something on the back again. And there's a diuretic on the back. Oh yeah, hopefully those will help too. That was a little hard to open though. So, this is everything for the Klova Sleep products. Just something small to share. And try to see if it helps for restful sleep. Since I've been struggling to sleep sometimes. The bottle had an instruction on it. And a caution too. And something like the sleep hacks. Yeah, that's what I've been reading on the back here. And caution and instruction. Yeah. That's pretty much everything. Take a look here. And suggest use caution helpful sleep hacks. Yeah, kind of limit exposure to blue light. Supplement facts on the back here. I always read that. Facts say. Oh yeah, that's the bottle of the sleep gummies. Yeah, the ones I get, I hope need help. And this is also what I got previously of the flat box with patches inside. So that's got an instruction on it too and some reminder for sleep. Yeah, how to use for adult 18 years and over. I'm older than 18 anyway. Oh yeah, it's got an instruction on the back too. And reminders for sleep. So I'm not alone. I see some world that has sleep problem. So I definitely recommend to try Klova, depending on how it works. It just depends how it works. You know, I had focus patches stored inside this package too. Oh, warnings in there. Oh yeah, that's focus Klova patch, like those yellow and orange stickers. That's sleep tips. Yeah, pretty much those are the tips, instruction, and guides to see how you can get a better sleep. Avoid staring at screens. Take a warm bath or relax. Yeah, I'll just have to keep that in mind. Avoid staring at device screen. Yeah, those aren't healthy or eyes. Those aren't healthy or for eyes. Avoid staring at device screen. So I can certainly see it can. There's some other patch other than sleep for health. Avoid staring at device screen. Get some sleep. I can certainly see it can affect sleep cycles. and struggle a lot with scrolling, like it gets too boring. There are other patches. Oh yeah, like I said, other patches like the focus patches. Other than sleep patches, there are chill, vitamin, and even focus, which I have here. I've been trying to focus patches for my projects, keep what I'm focusing on. So those are the extra strength patches so I could try for sleep around time. So that's the instruction manual. I guide on how to use these patches. But yeah, anyways. Yeah. Like I said, it's pretty much everything for those patches. So I'll have to try to keep up with them. Yeah. Like keeping it in mind on how to use. Time to reorder. Yeah, I'm gonna keep these patches inside these boxes. But wait, why do I have two of those same instruction thing? Okay then. It has these patches inside this box here to keep them secure, so. Yeah, I hope this helps with the guide for Klova Sleep Zpatches. Yeah, my wrist Klova. And I'll try to keep up with them. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, thank you for watching. So I hope this is interesting to you or so. Please share, like, subscribe, and click the bell too for more. And I'll see you on next time.